Symptoms and signs of a magnesium shortage. In world population, 80% suffer from magnesium deficiency, one of the most common nutritional deficiencies. Magnesium is a mineral that the body uses in over 300 different functions. Adults should consume 420 milligrams of magnesium daily, either from dietary sources or supplements, according to the National Institutes of Health. This is especially valid for people who consume processed foods and stay away from whole grains and leafy greens. Stress, lack of exercise, alcohol usage, certain drugs like diuretics, or even an excessive intake of caffeine or sugar can all contribute to magnesium shortage. You can watch out for a few symptoms and indicators to determine if you are deficient. Please be aware before continuing that everything referenced in this video has been objectively examined, fact-checked, and evaluated by licensed healthcare professionals. Having said that, let's begin and discuss 11 signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency. Number 1. Sleeping problems. It may be challenging to get a good night's sleep if you suffer from anxiety or despair, which are signs of a magnesium deficiency. Magnesium participates in the synthesis of melatonin and helps control serotonin levels. These two hormones are crucial in the regulation of sleep. Magnesium supplements could be used to treat sleep disorders. Restless leg syndrome has also been connected to low magnesium levels. In addition to these serious health issues, this makes it difficult to fall or stay asleep at night and generates painful sensations in the legs or arms. Lack of magnesium has been connected to sleep disorders include rapid eye movement when you're asleep. People who have this illness play out their dreams while they're asleep. While they are dreaming, they might scream or get out of bed. Quickly moving eyes usually appears after the age of 50 and may be brought on by psychological or physical pressures in the individual's life. Over the course of 16 weeks, taking 200 milligrams of magnesium daily led to better sleep quality than a placebo. Number 2. Muscle spasms and cramps. Muscle cramps, which are brought on by a rapid movement of a muscle that stretches it beyond its normal range of motion, are the most typical symptom of magnesium insufficiency. Low potassium levels brought on by a magnesium deficit can also result in weariness and weakened muscles. Researchers looked at the connection between magnesium levels and muscle cramps in people with hypertension who were taking diuretics. Muscle cramps or spasms were more common in those with low magnesium levels. These results imply that taking a magnesium supplement may assist to either prevent or relieve these symptoms. Number 3. Feeling tired constantly. Numerous factors, including insufficient sleep or inadequate diet, might contribute to the sense of exhaustion. However, if you consistently feel tired despite getting enough sleep and eating a healthy diet, you may be deficient in magnesium. Lack of magnesium promotes fatigue and weakness by delaying the metabolism. Therefore, converting food into energy takes longer. Low energy levels and weariness may result from this. Additionally, lack of magnesium has been associated with disorientation, sadness, and irritability. Before we move on to the next symptom, if you appreciate our video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to our Your Health channel so you won't miss any of our next educational films. Number 4. Frequent migraines. A lack of magnesium may contribute to migraines in some persons. According to estimates, this mineral may be insufficient in up to 30% of migraineurs. In fact, numerous studies have indicated that giving these people 200 milligrams daily helped to lessen the frequency and intensity of migraine attacks. Other studies that looked at the incidence or severity of migraines were unable to detect any positive effects of magnesium supplementation. It is unclear why some people benefit from magnesium while others do not. According to some studies, taking supplements of magnesium can cut the frequency of migraine headaches by as much as 50%. Number 5. Twitching eyelids. If your eyelids have ever twitched, you are aware of how annoying this may be. The illness typically manifests as sudden, involuntary contraction of the small muscles surrounding your eyes. One or both of your eyelids twitching uncontrollably is the most typical symptom of twitching eyelids. The twitches are typically fairly minor at first, but if you do not treat them properly, they could grow over time. This condition may also be upsetting and embarrassing. The most frequent cause of this issue is a magnesium deficit. The muscles in your body, particularly the ones in the area around your eyes, can be relaxed with the aid of the mineral magnesium. When your body doesn't have enough magnesium, these muscles stiffen up and start to violently twitch in some people. Cases the imbalance of other minerals in your body, such as calcium or potassium, may also cause your eyelids to twitch. Number 6. Osteoporosis. The disease osteoporosis develops when the bones become porous and brittle. The bones become fragile and break easily, which can cause pain and deformity as well as other issues. Because estrogen helps maintain strong bones, it affects women more frequently after menopause. Additionally, those who have taken specific drugs or have long-term rheumatoid arthritis are more likely to develop osteoporosis. Because it interferes with calcium absorption and creates an imbalance between calcium and phosphorus in the body, magnesium shortage can induce osteoporosis. In addition, the hypothyroidism that the deficit may cause, which is linked to osteoporosis, may occur. Magnesium aids in the passage of calcium from the intestines into the blood. To allow it to enter your bones, where it belongs, for absorption. Low parathyroid hormone levels might also be a result of magnesium insufficiency. The parathyroid hormone controls. When you need more calcium in your bloodstream, you can raise your blood calcium levels by extracting extra calcium from your bones. Number 7. A decline in mental health. Magnesium is a crucial vitamin for the brain because it helps your body's cells make serotonin, which is crucial for brain function. This enhances your mood, combats anxiety, and lessens depressive symptoms. Magnesium also promotes GABA action, which lowers levels of stress chemicals like cortisol and adrenaline that can heighten anxiety symptoms. According to some research, magnesium insufficiency may be linked to schizophrenia, ADHD, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and other mental disorders. Number 8. Hardening of the arteries. The condition known as atherosclerosis occurs when fatty substances and cholesterol accumulate inside the walls of arteries, narrowing and hardening them. Because of this, your heart has to work harder to pump blood throughout your body. Because magnesium is required for the production of nitric oxide, a magnesium deficit results in the hardening of the arteries. This chemical aids in blood vessel relaxation and dilation, allowing for increased blood flow. By relaxing the muscles in the blood vessel walls, magnesium also lowers blood pressure. There are two basic kinds of magnesium deficiency, primary and secondary. Primary magnesium deficiency happens when a person's diet is inadequate in magnesium or when they have a medical condition that interferes with their body's ability to absorb or utilize magnesium. Secondary lack of magnesium arises when a person loses too much magnesium as a result of frequent vomiting or diarrhea brought on by a different medical problem or side effect. Number 9. Blood sugar spikes. Because magnesium shortage interferes with the generation and action of insulin, blood sugar levels can increase. Magnesium deficiency prevents insulin from working properly, which causes the body to either create more insulin or develop a resistance to its effects. As a result, diabetic ketoacidosis might occur. When there is insufficient insulin, a potentially fatal condition called diabetic ketoacidosis arises. Compared to those without diabetes, those with diabetes have an increased chance of acquiring a magnesium deficit. The increased loss of magnesium in urine may be the cause of this. Number 10. High blood pressure. American adults have elevated blood pressure or prehypertension in at least 1 out of every 3 cases. The risk of heart disease, stroke, and renal failure will increase as this number rises. Although there are several causes of high blood pressure, including aging and heredity, magnesium shortage can also be a contributing factor. Magnesium shortage results in artery narrowing, which raises blood pressure. It also makes your heart work harder to circulate blood throughout your body. Number 11. Asthma. By altering the muscles and nerves that regulate breathing, magnesium shortage contributes to asthma. Your body may not be able to relax your muscles as easily as it should if you have a magnesium deficiency. You can find it challenging to breathe deeply or exhale carbon dioxide as a result of this. Your doctor might advise adding foods high in magnesium to your diet or taking supplements if you have asthma and a magnesium deficiency. Increased sensitivity to allergens and hyper-responsive airways may also be linked to magnesium shortage. When someone has airway hyper-responsiveness, their airways constrict and enlarge when they are exposed to stimuli like cigarette smoke or exercise, or allergies. People find it tougher to breathe regularly as a result of this. Ask your doctor about getting a blood test to check your body's magnesium levels if you have 1 or more of these 12 symptoms. This quick blood test could reveal a shortfall and allow you to take the proper supplements. In nations with limited availability to magnesium-rich food sources such vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, magnesium shortage symptoms are quite prevalent. We can't emphasize enough how crucial it is to increase your intake of this mineral. This is particularly vital if you have symptoms like exhaustion, sleeplessness, constipation, or other excruciating stomach problems. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our Your Health channel to see more educational content like it. Thank you for watching. Your wellness is our goal.